This is the final countdown.
Either way, I'm just thinking that way, you know.
Sight.
I don't know, matter.
So one of the things one of the reasons why somebody with experience building a pond is such a better experience than building one yourself. I know that sounds like I'm trying to sell something, but honestly, this is an important thing. All of our ponds are graded using a transit, so we know their exact depth, and not only that, but it's all even, it's all level. We have a deep point, but we know the grade of everything, so we know how much liner and underlayment we need. We know where our deepest point is. We know how I'm gonna have to clean it out. We've made this efficient, so you know, maintaining it is that much easier. The way we build is about maintaining it.